If you're getting into AI automation, there's one challenge you're going to face pretty quickly. Things change fast. New tools come out. Platforms update. Workflows evolve. And if you're not careful, it's easy to fall behind. So the real question becomes, how do you stay relevant as an AI automation specialist? In this video, I'm going to walk through how to stay up to date, what to focus on, and how to keep improving your skills over time. Let's start with the most important idea. You don't stay relevant by chasing every new tool. You stay relevant by understanding systems. Tools will change, but workflows, data flow, and business processes stay consistent. If you understand how information moves through a system, you can apply that knowledge to any tool. That's your foundation. Now let's talk about staying up to date with tools. There are three main platforms right now that cover most automation use cases: Zapier, Make, and N8N. You don't need to master all of them at once, but you should understand how each one works and when to use them. As new tools come out, the goal isn't to learn everything, it's to evaluate. What problem does this solve? Is it better than what I'm already using? Where would it fit in a real workflow? That mindset keeps you focused. Another important area is continuing education. And this doesn't have to be complicated. You can learn by building your own projects, watching tutorials, reading documentation, testing workflows. The key is consistency. Even 30 minutes a day adds up over time. Now let's talk about real-world learning. One of the best ways to stay relevant is by working on actual use cases. For example, automating lead capture, building content workflows, creating internal systems. Each time you build something, you learn something. And that knowledge carries over. Another important habit is documenting what you learn. When you build a workflow, write down what the trigger is, what the steps are, what problems you ran into. This helps you remember what you've learned, explain it to others, and improve over time. Now let's talk about staying connected to what's happening in the space. This could be YouTube channels, online communities, LinkedIn, product updates. You don't need to follow everything. Just stay aware of trends and changes. For example, new integrations, AI capabilities, pricing changes, new platforms. This helps you adapt without feeling overwhelmed. Now here's something that's often overlooked: understanding business problems. This is what separates beginners from professionals. It's not about knowing tools. It's about knowing how those tools apply to real situations. If a business says, "We're losing leads," you should immediately think, where is the breakdown? Where is the delay? What can be automated? That's the skill that makes you valuable. Now let's talk about one more important point: consistency over intensity. You don't need to learn everything in a week. You just need to keep improving over time. Build one workflow, then another, then another. That's how you grow. And over time, you'll start to see patterns. And once you see patterns, everything becomes easier. Now let's bring this together. To stay relevant as an AI automation specialist, focus on systems, not just tools. Learn consistently, build real workflows, stay aware of trends, understand business problems. That combination is what keeps you valuable. Not just today, but long-term. If you're learning AI automation right now, you're already in a strong position. This is a growing field, and people who can understand and build systems are in demand. If you want to keep learning how to apply AI and automation in real-world situations, make sure you hit like and follow the channel. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday focused on practical, beginner-friendly automation. And I'll see you in the next video.